Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use a Notion calendar. So here's a step-by-step guide on how to use the calendar feature in Notion. The first thing for you to do is to log into your Notion workspace on the web app, which of course I have done right here. Then navigate to the page where you want to add a calendar, or you can create a new page if needed. I'm going to navigate to this page, my side panel, and here is where I want to add my calendar. Notion's calendar feature is part of its database system. So you either need to create a new database or use an existing one. Now, if you don't already have a database, here's how you can create one. First off, use the /, and once you do that, it's going to bring up the block menu. Then scroll down to type database to choose table, board, list, or calendar directly. So database, that's going to be okay. So this database, and from the list, I'm just going to use calendar view. So now we're here. You need to give your calendar a new name. So here we have new view. This is calendar view. All right. You can give your calendar a name. So right here we have to do, or here we have untitled. Give it a name. This could be my calendar. And that's it. Now, in order to display items on the calendar, which we have in here. So in this calendar, as you can see, Notion has created an automatic calendar for you. And a calendar, okay, that was removed. So I'm just going to have to rename that again. And that's it. So you have a calendar in here. All you have to do in this calendar, which has been prepared for you, is to add events. That if you want to add events to your calendar, and also you can add properties if you want to by clicking on this 3-dot icon in here and head over to properties. It says one shown, so go ahead and click on properties. So you can click on new property and select a new property. Let's say you want to add a person, or I'm just going to go all back. I want to add, let's add status. Okay, I think status has already been created, so I'm just going to go back and let's add people to the calendar. And that's it. So I'm just going to go all back since I have already added people to my calendar. Then I can click on properties, show all properties, and these are the properties in my calendar. Now for you to add events, just go ahead and click on any of the dates. Okay, first off, before we click on any of the dates to add an event, you can go ahead and click on these are right here to switch months. As you can see, the months are already changing, and this is September, so you can use that to switch months. So back in September, let's say I have an event for 25th, I can just go ahead and click on that date and click on the plus icon right next to it to add an item to 25th. So here are the tags, not started. You can also add a status here, let's say in progress, and in progress, and the person, you can add somebody if you want to add somebody, which is a property that we added. And this could be going out. If you want to add a comment, you can go ahead and add a comment. Tags are also empty, but I'm just going to leave it at these and collapse this, which is in here. So I'm going back to my calendar, which is it. And so for going out, you can see an event has been created for this particular day. Now you can just go ahead and repeat the same process for your calendar Like I said, you can add tags if you want to add tags. Just go ahead and click on edit properties to edit properties and add whatever you want to add. Create events in this calendar. Okay, so click on any calendar event to view or edit its details. Use the inline editor to quickly adjust properties like dates, tags, and other custom fields. And also you can customize the calendar. So use the calendar settings to filter entries, sort by different properties, or create custom views. Okay, and once you're done, you can switch between the calendar view and other views by clicking on this plus icon right here at the top to switch to any of the views in here. Now, Notion doesn't natively support recurring events if you want to use recurring events, but you can manually duplicate events that repeat on the calendar. Okay, so just go ahead and click on any event and select the three dots and choose duplicate to create a recurring entry on future dates. So by doing this, you will be able to use the Notion calendar, which is just right. So click on the event and click on duplicate. That's for you to duplicate for recurring events if you want to set a recurring event. Once you do this, that's it. You'll be able to effectively use calendar feature in Notion. So you can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.